Everyone, so now let's do the OSPF configuration. This is a OSPF EVE part 3. In this one we are going to enable the OSPF. So what we will do, we will write router OSPF 1. Okay, OSPF 1 is a process ID. After that you can use the network command or you can use the interface method. So now I am using network command, then after that I need to write the network ID. So network ID of this one is 192.168.12.0, and then we need to write the wildcard mask. So what is a wildcard mask? Wildcard mask is 0.0.0.255. Then we will write the area. So I am doing this lab for area 100. So I will write here 100. Okay. So let me write here 100. So press enter. Now I need to do the same thing for the loopback 0. If you see, this is my loopback 0 here. This one, if you see, this is a loopback 0. So I will do the configuration for the loopback 0. So what I will do here, I will go here, I will remove this and I will put the loopback 0 network ID. So 1.0.0.0 right here. Then after that wildcard mask 0.255.255.255. Okay, and then press enter. So this way we enable the OSPF in the R1. What we done here, we enable the OSPF. We use the network command. You need to write here the network ID and then wildcard mask. Wildcard mask is the opposite of subnet mask. So if you see, this is a wildcard mask and we are using area 100. So this way we configure the OSPF in the R1. If you want to configure in R2, we will do the same thing. I will go here, I will write here router OSPF 1. Okay, network ID is 192.168.12.0. wildcard mask is 0.0.0.255. area we are using area as 100. Okay, we are using area as 100. So I will press this one, and now I need to advertise with the loopback also here. So what I will do here, let me go here and put the loopback one. Okay, if you are confused, let me move here and now do that one. Let me do now, and now I will go here. Let me remove this all, and here I will put 2.0.0.0. give space 0.255.255.255 area 100 this way. Then press enter, and after some time you will have the OSPF neighborship up. Okay, I will wait here and you can check. You will have the OSPF neighborship. Show IP route. We are getting the OSPF route here. Okay, so this is a EVE OSPF part 3. In next part we are going to learn more